Hi guys, today I go to college and my whole time consumed in the college, but still I solve many problems like more than five something. Two problem is DSA POTD. First is lead code POTD and second one is GFG POTD. And except from these POTDs, I solve three problems of my sheet and two problems are from stack. Two both are easy problem and one problem is pretty tough. It is quite not part of the queue, but it's part of DSA, and this problem is maximum product subarray. Let me show you the problems. These are the problems, and the links of this are available on the sheet. And let's talk about the problem. In this problem, implement stack using queue. In this question, I take two queue and then I push element in the queue. After that, whose queues is fully filled, I fill all the element in the that queue that I push the first element. मतलब अगर थोड़ा सा हिंदी में बोल लूँ तो मैंने यहाँ पे क्या किया था, मेरे पास दो क्यू थी, दोनों क्यू खाली पड़ी थी। पहले क्यू में पहला एलिमेंट गया और दूसरी क्यू में अगर दूसरा एलिमेंट जाएगा ना, दूसरी क्यू में दूसरा एलिमेंट जाएगा, फिर पहली क्यू खाली करके मैं दूसरी में डाल दूंगा, तो वहाँ का जो पहला एलिमेंट होगा वो निकलेगा। इस तरह अगर मेरे को तीसरा एलिमेंट डालना होगा, क्यू वन में डालूंगा, जो क्यू खाली होगी, और जो क्यू भरी होगी मैं उसका एलिमेंट खाली वाली क्यू में डाल दूंगा पुश करने के बाद। तो ये लॉजिक था। और इनका मैंने किया था इम्प्लीमेंट क्यू यूजिंग स्टैक, इसका लॉजिक डिट्टो सेम ही था, बस यहाँ पे तुम्हें था एक बार स्टैक में डाल दो, फिर अगर निकालना है तो वापस दूसरे स्टैक में डालो, टॉप एलिमेंट क्यू का वो हो जाएगा टॉप। और फिर मैंने इन तीनों को शीट अपलोड कर दिया, इंग्लिश में बोलता हूँ। लेट्स टॉक अबाउट अ न्यू प्रॉब्लम। इन दिस प्रॉब्लम यू हैव टू फाइंड मैक्सिमम प्रोडक्ट सब एरे। मीन्स देयर इज अ सब एरे 2 and 3, its product is 6. It's the maximum value. You have to find the product, and there can be negative and also zero. So approach is quite tough. First of all, I create two loops for iterating and finding subarray. Then third loop I create for multiplying the subarray. It is a basic, एकदम brute force approach. Its time complexity big of n cube. This give me TLE, and then I use 2 big of n square. In this I have only iterated over two arrays, and at that time I count and then store. So this gives me big of n square. It pass, but it's 5% better than other. So I watched some tutorials and then learn about a something prefix and suffix. So in this approach, I take four cases. In first case, they are all positive value. Second case, even number of negative value. Third case, odd number of negative value. And fourth case, I found zero. In the first two cases where I found all positive and even number of negative number, I multiply every element, so give me it's positive. In third and fourth case, I have to find prefix and suffix. What is prefix and suffix? Prefix and suffix are the product. Prefix is from starting index 0 and suffix is from ending index. So if my prefix becomes 0, means I found 0, then I will convert prefix to 1, because 0 multiplies 0 always becomes 0. So here I multiply prefix. I calculate prefix using this nums of I and suffix nums of I minus 1. This gives me the prefix and suffix. So I want the maximum subarray whose value is highest among prefix and suffix. I will store this value in answer, and then I will return the answer. Let's talk about MERN. What I did in MERN, I get introduced in some syntax, like in previous video I stored these routes in the index.js file, but this gives me a quite bit of hard syntax because every line consumes more than 50 or 60 words. So I create every route in another folder, and then I include using this const menu routes is going to require dot this. Let me show the location of this example person. There is a person routes. So in this I create this, and here router is equal to express dot router. Then router dot post. I replace app with router, and then I export this, and then I pass it as a middleware app dot use menu slash menu it replaces all the menus. And menu routes, so menu routes is from there. So in this, let me show you something new syntax. I get introduced some new syntax like this double dot taste. Example, this is the taste I create in schema. This is the taste I created in schema, and taste have three options: sweet, spicy, sour. So in this route, if my user type menu slash sour, sweet or spicy, then these all three routes will push at there. If he or she मतलब जो भी इसके अलावा किसी और के अलावा स्वीट स्पाइसी सोर के अलावा कुछ और भी टाइप करेगा तो वो यहाँ पे नहीं आएगा. This basically shows that if I don't have to write multiple routes, this single routes is more than enough for this. And then my normal syntax, if data equals to sweet, spicy, sour, then I'll print that, and I got data from request.params.taste and so on. This is the syntax, and currently I got everything understand about the syntax. I am currently learning from this guy, Hello World. So I am at that lecture. Time to sleep because tomorrow I have contest of DSA, and it is intra college, means we have to participate in other college. Its name is Bharati Vidyapeeth. Let's see what happens. This is going to my side first or second contest, live physical. Let's see what will be the experience. Bye.